Hi, I am Imal Aswath. I am going to teach for 10th standard. The problem is the denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. When both the numerator and denominator are decreased by 6, then the denominator becomes 12. So here two conditions are given. Here it is the first condition. Then the second condition, both the numerator and denominator are decreased by 6. Then the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Determine the fraction. So we have to find the fraction. So first let the fraction be x by y. Here it is the numerator and it is the denominator. So we are going to the first condition. The denominator of a fraction. What is the denominator of a fraction? Y. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. That is y equal to 4 more than twice the numerator. 2x then plus 4. 4 more than. Y equal to 2x plus 4. So this is the first condition it is given. Therefore 2x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the first equation we got. The second condition what is given as, first condition over. When both the numerator and denominator are decreased by 6, then the denominator is y, that is y minus 6. Y minus 6 equal to, the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. So numerator also decreased by 6. So decreased by 6 is x minus 6. X minus 6. It is 12 times. So 12x minus 6. 12x minus 6. So that is equal to 12x minus, that is 2 6 are 12 1 72. Then y minus 6. Now we have to bring this one here. That is, here we bring this one to here. 12x minus y, then minus, that is 72 minus 6 is 60. 12 minus 6 is 6. Then 66. 12x minus y equal to 66. This is the second equation. So here one equation, then second equation. From these two equations, what you get is, so here it is 2x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the first equation. So we are going, that is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, what you get is minus plus minus. So here 10x, here this one cancelled. So what is get? Here minus 70 equal to 0. So x equal to 7. X equal to 7. Substitute x equal to 7 in 1. What do we get? Y equal to 2 into 7, 14 plus 4, 18. Y equal to 18. So what is the fraction now? Here y equal to 18. What is the fraction? The fraction is x by y. So 7 by 18. So the answer is 7 by 18. 7 by 18. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.